What's up everyone, and welcome back to Awesome American Trains. Today, I'm going to be showing you the advantages and pros to starting Python as a beginner language for beginners who are just new to programming. I'm going to be showing you the advantages of it, and hopefully this can get you started. And anyway, without further ado, let's head to our laptop so it can be more specific.
Okay, so here's the reasons why Python is a good language to learn. The first reason why Python is a good language to learn is because it teaches you how to problem solve. It teaches you how to basics of problem solving. I think computer science, mainly software field, you're going to be learning how to solve problems. And I think problems like fixing a limit, it could be anything, like fixing a bug in a game, or some software glitch in an IT company. So I think Python really prepares you for problems, teach you how to problems, and good professors will always give you good assignments that will teach you to problem solve. And of course, it will be frustrating. Of course, when you're stuck on something, it's bound to get frustrating because you don't know what to do. But that's a whole part of the process, you know. Yeah, it teaches you how to problem solve. Yeah, problem solving. See, I got in problem already. Got syntax error. That's okay. You learn problems. There you go. So yeah, that's one of the things I like about Python. It teaches you to problem solve. The second thing I like about Python is it's very simple and easy to pick up. Next to Scratch probably or some other visual based language, Python is very easy to pick up. I mean, once you know the basics and once you know everything you can practically do, there's kind of it's almost like endless possibilities with Python, and there are good possibilities you can do with Python. That's what I like about Python is that it's so simple to learn. And most languages I mean, some languages are a little bit complex to learn, but Python is just simple. All you have to do, like for print statements, for example, for print statements, Python just tells you to just print, quotes, brackets, quotes, and print statement, quotes, and brackets. That's all you need to ask to tell the program to say something back at you. It's very easy, and there's also some other content that are pretty cool to learn too. And while we're on the topic of how simple it is, I'm gonna talk about the community and the resources. There's a lot of good resources out there that can teach you about Python if you're stuck, and it's pretty good and it's very handy. For example, like whenever I get stuck, I have some good books, I have some good sources to look at for tutorials, and it's all very friendly and helpful. And Python even has its own help help feature and built into this thing. Oh, there it is. No, uh, there, idle help, and it can help you with anything. It might be a little complex, of course, but in this one, but the point is basically the same. That there's a lot of resources out there, and it's very helpful, and it's actually it's really encouraged to use them. There's no shame in using them. In fact, you should be encouraged, and you should be encouraged to use them, and you should be encouraged to use them because it can help you and save your life whenever you're stuck in a problem. So yeah, that's one thing. So I think so. Like overall, I think Python is a good language to learn if you're a beginner programmer who wants to become a programmer and don't really know what to start or looks at the other languages and thinks, oh my god, this is so spooky. I recommend you start with Python because Python not only gives now because Python is the not only gives you Python is a simple language to learn and it teaches you the fundamentals of programming. So when sorry about my stuttering. So like in the future, if you end up using a high level language, you probably know what you're doing because some of the things in Python are very similar in other languages, like Java or something like that. They're very similar, so that's why Python is good, and it gets you prepared for those other high-level languages that you might be using in big companies. So that way, when you first do Java or something like complex, you wouldn't be like, oh my god, what the hell? It's so complex. Because, oh, what the hell is going on? Because they might do that in the first day, but for Java, but you might know some of the basics like syntax errors and stuff because you've learned it in Python. That's a good advantage. So overall, I think Python is a very good language to learn. I recommend you try it out. Give it a shot, and it's completely free. The idle, but by the way, this thing is called idle. So Windows Python uses an editor called idle. So it's completely free if you want to try it out. There's no cost in it at all. So you can try it out, give it a try, learn some things. Why not? If it's not, if it's clear not, and you don't think it's right for you, well, that's good. Well, it's okay. At least you tried something new, and you can something closer to your career path. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And in a couple of weeks, I'm going to produce a Python tutorial on how to a big Python tutorial that I'll be putting together. So look out for that. Other than that, see you later.